Hey everyone, here I'm going to demonstrate of a frame that was not wired correctly. You can see these wires are way too loose. I inherited this frame from another beekeeper this summer. He had it in a hive that died, but you can see that it needed a lot of stretching. And what I'll probably do is stretch this up and put a little nail in here and pull this tight, so now this is tight enough so I can embed this. It needed to be embedded. You don't want the wire out here. You want it right in with the foundation so the bees draw it across and it's all one unit. But you can see both sides. Also, maybe the frame was just a little too long. One of the reasons I wire my deeps is to keep it from bowing like this. When it warms, sometimes they bow out.